one of our best sellers in London. This stylish, boutique hotel is set within Hammersmith, just 2 minutes walk from Stamford Brook Tube Station, offering modern rooms. Central London can be easily accessed via the District Line, and free Wi-Fi is available. You can reach Oxford Circus and Buckingham Palace in just 20 minutes by tube, and Heathrow Airport is 25 minutes drive from the hotel. Chiswick High Road, with its many restaurants, is just 1 minute's walk away. Light and elegant, Chiswick Rooms all enjoy a flat-screen TV to relax with, as well as air conditioning and a telephone with free local calls. Harrods, Harvey Nichols and the Museum District of South Kensington are all reachable within 25 minutes via tube from Stamford Brook. Hammersmith and Fulham is a great choice for travellers interested in convenient public transportation, tourist attractions and parks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.